Hello, fellow puzzle addicts. Today we have Brain Games Calendar 2017, a year of entertain your brain puzzles. I did not create any of these. I'm showing you all the people that did. What we'll be doing is going through these puzzles together and showing how you have to think to win them. Okay, so let's see what other things we can fill out. So let's try this column. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so if we look at this row, well, if we look at the frame, nothing to tell us about 1, 2, 5, or 6 there. But for this frame, we got the 6, so we need 1, 2, and 5. And then if we look at this row, we got 1 and 2. So we got 1, 2, and 6 knocked out. So now we know where 5 goes. Okay, so the 5 is done. So we need 1, 2, and 6. So we look down here. There's no 2, and there's a no, the 2 is canceled for there, and because of this frame, so 1 and 6 goes there, and the 2 can't go here, so we only have 1 space left for 2. So we're left with 1 and 6. Okay, and there's no way 6 is canceled out anywhere, so that's purple layer. Okay, so let's see what other row has information that we can. This one needs 4. So we need 1, we need 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 2 can't go in here, and 2 can't go here. This has to be 2. So 2 is taken care of. So we're left with 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so 7. Let's see, what do we know? Okay, so 5 and 6 are taken up in this frame. Oops. 5 and 6 are taken up in this frame, so that only leaves 7. So we're left with 5 and 6 for the purple layer. And because we have 5 and 6 in that frame already taken care of, we can now figure out what the other 3 numbers are. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But we already know 5 and 6 go, so we're left with 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so the only one that actually gives us any information is this spot, because the 7 is there. So that leaves 8 and 9. Okie dokie. Which means for this row, we're left with 8 and 9 as well. Okay, so now for this frame, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we need 1, 8, and 9. So for this space, 9 is gone, so that's 1 and 8. Well, actually, we don't even have to do that because look, let me clear this out. We have 9. We have a 9 here. Oops. And a 9 here. So that leaves only 1 space left for 9. And since that's 9, that means this has to be 8 and this has to be 1, which makes this 9. Anything else gets cleared out? So what's left for this row is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 and 8 are left for that row. 7 and 8. Okay. No, let's erase some of that. Clear it up. Okay, so now that we've gotten that 1, anything else we can do with the 1? No. Alrighty. So let's do this frame. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. Okie dokie. So what can we see? Well, we see that 7 is already in this column, and so is 6. So we're left with 1 and 5. And there's nothing to tell me about 5 in any of these other columns. Okay. Okay, well, since those are 1 and 5, we know where 1 and 5 go, so we're left with 6 and 7. And since 6 and 7, let me write it in. So this is 6 and 7. But since this is the only place 7 shows up, this has to be 7. And if this is 1 and 5 over here, this has to be 6. This has to be 1. And let's see, anything else? 6, 6. So this has to be 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And this is 1 and 5, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so this has to be 8. Clear out some of our purple layer that'll be filled in. And anything else? Yes, this. Okie dokie. So, okay, this. So this, since this is 5, this has to be 8, and this has to be 5. And if this is 5, then this is 8, which leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 and 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 and 9 are left here. So let's fill in that last one for this bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, wrong color. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then this becomes 6, this becomes 5. Okay, so this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. So let's put in our numbers. So for this column, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 1, 6, and 8. 1 is already in this. This is 6 and 8. Okay, so let's see, 6 is already in here. So that's 1 and 8. And there's already 8 here, so this is 1 and 6. And since 1 and 6 are showing up here, let me highlight that. This one can't be 1, so it has to be 5. Which makes this 1. Which makes this 8. Makes this 6. So this row needs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 and 8. Okay, so we don't need that. I need that. Oh, I shouldn't have that in the purple. I have to write that over. 1 and 6. Alrighty. Oops, forgot to erase this one. Okay, so we're all cleared up that way. Alrighty. So in this row, we already have 1 and 6. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we already have 1 and 6. Okay, so we need 2, 3, and 9. So 3 and 9 are already in this column. So this one has to be 2. Makes this 8. Makes this 2. Makes this 7, 8. So this has to be 3. We already got a 9 in here, so this has to be 7. And this has to be 9. And we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5, 6. So 1, 5, 6. So we got a 1 and 6 here, so this is 5. So we're left with 1 and 6. So there's a 1 here already, so this is 6 and this is 1. So if that's 1, this is 6 and this is 1. If this is 9, this is 5 and this is 9. Okay, so we have full on each side. So let's put in our originals. Okay, all our original numbers are done. Alrighty then, see you next time. Hello fellow puzzle addicts. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more great videos.